morning class 3 students. Today we are starting a new chapter of English 2 and that is the big race. So now let us start. It was the day of the big race for the butterfly children. Ossie was very excited. He had been busy organizing it for weeks. So it is a story about the big race. Understood? So it was the day of the big race of butterfly children, and Ossie, he is also one of the butterfly. Understood? So Ossie was very happy and he was very much excited for the big race. So he had been busy organizing it for weeks. So what is the meaning of organizing? Organizing means making arrangement for something to take place. So he was very busy organizing the big race for weeks. So, but when the competition arrived nearer, one by one, the competitors had dropped out of the race. So, what does a competitor mean? Competitor means people who take part in the competition. Okay. So, had dropped out means did not take part any longer. So, when the competition came nearer, one by one the competitors, they left the competition. Understood? So Ossie felt very sad and disappointed. He was trying hard to find somebody who would be willing to take part in the race. So Ossie, he was feeling very sad and he was very disappointed. Why? Because all the competitors had already left. Okay. So he was trying very hard to find someone who would be willing to take part in the race. So willing means excited and ready. So who would be ready to take part in the race. Ossie was finding someone who would be ready to take part in the race. Just then, Claudette appeared, pulling Morpho along by the hand. They had come to watch the race. Morpho was very shy and quiet. So just then, Claudette is also one of the butterfly and Morpho is also one of the butterfly. Understood? So just then, when Ossie was trying to find someone who was ready to take part in the competition, that time Claudette appeared, pulling Morpho along by Morpho's hand. Okay, so they had Claudette and Morpho, they had come to watch the big race. Understood? So Morpho is very shy and quiet butterfly. Understood? Claudette said, "Hello Ossie, when does the race start?" So Claudette, he asked Ossie that when will the race start? Understood? Ossie flew over to them. The race is cancelled, he told them sadly. There is nobody to take part in it. So Ossie, he came nearer to he flew nearer to Claudette and Morpho, and he said that race is cancelled. So what does cancelled means? Cancelled means would not take place. So the race is already cancelled. He told them sadly, and he told that there is no one to take part in the big race. Why don't you race, Ossie? Asked Claudette. So Claudette is asking Ossie that why don't you take part in the race? Ossie smiled. What a great idea, but who will I race with? So Ossie smiled to Claudette and he said that it is a great idea, but there is no one in the competition, so who will I race with? Claudette pushed Morpho forward. How about him? She asked. So Claudette pushed Morpho forward. So he is Morpho, he is Ossie, and she is Claudette. Okay. So Claudette, she pushed Morpho forward and she asked, how about him? Understood? Morpho laughed Ossie. Morpho laughed Ossie. I can't race with him. He is so shy. So Ossie, he said, Morpho, he is asking Claudette. Okay. So So he said that I can't race with Morpho because he is very shy butterfly. Okay. But then Osi thought to himself, I will be able to beat Morpho easily. His mind was made up. Come on, Morpho, he said, you are in the race. But then Osi thought to himself that I will easily beat Morpho because Morpho is very shy and quiet. So his mind was made up means he had decided what to do. So Osi decided that Morpho is a very shy person, so I can beat Morpho easily. So he said that, come on Morpho, you are in the race. Now you and I will race together, okay? No, I can't do it, said Morpho. So Morpho is saying, no, I can't take part in the competition. Oh, it's so easy. All you have to do is to fly as fast as you can. Don't stop for anything. Osi is describing Morpho that it is very easy to take part in the race. You have to do nothing. You just have to fly as fast as you can and do not stop for anyone. The one who reaches the finishing line first is the winner, explained Osi at the starting line. So Osi is explaining to Morpho that the one, if you fly as fast as you can, you will be the winner. So the one who will reach the finishing line first will be the winner of this big race. So Osi explained to Morpho. Understood? The race began. So then the race began. Osi shot off at the fantastic speed. Morpho set off slowly after Osi. So what does shot off means? Shot off means move or sped past something or someone quickly. So shot off means to run quick, move quickly. Okay. So Osi, he ran quickly in the fantastic speed, and Morpho also he also moved slowly after Osi. Morpho will never be able to beat me, laughed Osi. I'll reach the finishing line in no time at all. So Osi, he is saying to himself that Morpho will never be able to beat me because he is very slow. So he is saying to himself that I will reach the finishing line in no time. I will reach the finishing line first. Okay? Twop, all of a sudden, Osi flew straight into the sticky spider's web. So can you see that? He is stuck in the spider's web. So twop is the sound. Okay? So there was a sound, twop, and Osi, he straightly flew into the sticky spider's web. Understood? Osi tried very hard to free himself, but he just could not. He dangled dangerously from the spider's web with no one to help him. Then he saw Morpho. So Osi, he was stuck in the spider's web, and he was trying very hard to free himself from the spider's web, but he could not get out of the spider's web. Okay, and there was no one to help him. But at that time, he saw Morpho. Help, cried Osi. Morpho, please help me. Please come and free me from this web. So at last, Osi saw Morpho and he cried for help. And he said that, Morpho, please help me and please free me from this spider's web. Morpho said, but if I stop to help you, I won't win the race. So Osi, he was asking Morpho for help, isn't it? So Morpho, he said that but if I stop to help you, I won't win the race. However, when Morpho saw how upset OC was, he felt very sorry for him. He knew he should stop and help OC even if it meant that he would lose the race. So he went to set OC free soon. OC was free from the sticky web. So Morpho, he saw that how upset OC was. Okay. So he felt very sorry for OC and he went for help. Okay, so Morpho went to help OC, and he helped OC and he set OC free from the spider's web. Understood? Now you can hurry off and win the race, said Morpho. So Morpho is saying to OC that now let's hurry up and win the race. The crowd waited eagerly to see excitedly to see who would win the big race. Soon they saw OC and Morpho flying across the finishing line hand in hand. So the crowd was waiting excitedly to see who will win the race. Okay, who will win the big race. So the crowd saw that the Morpho and OC, they were flying hand in hand to the finishing line. Understood? It's a draw, they shouted. So crowd shouted that because Morpho, can you see that? Can you see in the picture? Morpho and OC, they are together in the finishing line. Okay. So the crowd shouted that it's a draw. So what does it's a draw means? A game or a match in which no one wins or loses is a draw. So the crowd shouted it's a draw. No, it isn't, cried OC. Morpho is the real winner today. He showed me that it is better to win a friend than win a race. So the crowd shouted it's a draw, but OC said that no, it isn't. It isn't a draw. Morpho is the real winner of this big race because he showed me that it is better to win a race. It is better to win a friend than to win a race. Understood? At last, OC understood that Morpho is a very kind person. Understood? So, the moral of this story is we should always help our friends when they are in need. Understood, children? Thank you, class 1. So, now I will show you the animation of this chapter.
The big race. It was the day of the big race for the butterfly children. Ozzy was very excited. He had been busy organizing it for weeks. But soon, one by one, the competitors dropped out of the race. So, Ozzy had to try hard to find somebody who would take part in the race. Just then, Claudette appeared, pulling Morpho along by the hand. They were going to watch the race. Morpho was very shy and quiet. Ozzy flew over to them. The race is cancelled, he told them sadly. There's nobody to take part. Why don't you race? Asked Claudette. What a great idea, he smiled. But who will I race with? Claudette pushed Morpho forward. How about him? She said. Morpho? Laughed Ozzy. I can't race with him. He is so shy. But then, Ozzy thought to himself, against Morpho, I'll easily be the winner. His mind was made up. Come on, Morpho, he said. You are in the race. No, I can't do it, said Morpho. Oh, it's so easy. All you have to do is to fly as fast as you can. Don't stop for anything. The one who comes first at the finishing line is the winner. The race began. Ozzy shot off at a fantastic speed. Morpho set off slowly after Ozzy. Morpho will never catch me, laughed Ozzy. I'll reach the finishing line in no time at all. All of a sudden, clack! He flew straight into a sticky spider's web. No matter how hard he tried, he could not get free. He dangled there from the spider's web with no one to help. Then he saw Morpho. Help! Cried Ozzy. Morpho, come and free me from this web. Morpho said, but if I stop to help you, I won't win the race. When Morpho saw how upset Ozzy was, he knew he must stop and help him, even if it meant he would surely lose the race. Soon, he set Ozzy free. Now you can hurry off and win the race, said Morpho. The crowd waited excitedly to see the winner of the big race. Soon, they saw Ozzy and Morpho fly across the finishing line hand in hand.